Okay, let us talk about one more modification command, that is fillet and chamfer. So fillet is basically making a smooth radius between two straight lines, like in this figure. We can specify this radius with the dimension, and that is called fillet. Okay, and chamfer is instead of making a radius, it will create a straight line, and that is called a chamfer. Okay, now in AutoCAD, the shortcut for fillet command is F enter, and for chamfer command is CHA enter. So let us start with fillet command, F enter. In fillet command, there are multiple options. One is called polyline, one is called radius, one is called trim, and multiple. Okay, so first option I will be talking about is radius. First, you have to select the radius, R enter, and then you can specify radius, whatever dimension it is, and that radius will be assigned for next fillet command. Okay, so after selecting a radius, it will prompt for select first object. So I will select this line as a first object and this line as a second object. This will give me the radius. Okay, now the existing lines, the original lines, are not trimmed. Okay, the only radius is made, it is extra. Okay, if you want to trim that, you again go to fillet command. This is an option called trim. Okay, enter, and there are two options, no trim and trim. Right now no trim is activated, that's why the entities are not getting trimmed. Okay, if I select trim option, those entities will be trimmed. Now if you observe, radius is by default 10 again. Unless I change that radius for the whole file, radius will be remain 10 for the next all fillet commands. Okay, so I will just change that radius to 5, from 10 to 5, and then I am selecting one entity, another entity, fillet will be applied. Okay, now let us say I want to apply fillet for multiple entities. Okay, I will select a multiple option, keeping other options same, that is trim is on and radius is 5. Now I can select multiple option without getting out from the fillet command. Okay, and then you can press escape once you are done. So I can select multiple entities of fillet in one command with multiple option. There is one more option that is called polyline. Okay, and with the radius, if I keep it as 5, that is fine, and I just want to select a polyline, so every corner of that polyline will be filleted with the trim option. Okay, so this is fillet command. Now what about chamfer? The same thing will be there in chamfer. The only change is there will not be any radius. There will be three parameters, that is distance 1, 10, distance 2, 15, and the angle. So any two parameters will give me the chamfer. Okay, so I am just activating CHA command, chamfer. Okay, other options are same, polyline, trim, and multiple. Okay, so those options will work same as fillet, that you can check later. Here I want to discuss two options, that is distance and angle. If I select distance option, it will prompt for the first chamfer distance, that is 10, and second chamfer distance I am making 15 just to show the difference, and then I am selecting first entity and second entity. This is getting chamfered. Okay, so this distance is 10 vertical distance and the horizontal distance is 15. So this is my first distance and this is my second distance. Okay, I can reverse it again, CHA enter. Trim option is no trim is selected, so I will just go for trim option, so it will trim, and instead of going with the same distance, I am getting again into a distance option and I am going 15 and 10. That will make reverse. Okay, so first distance is always assigned with the object you select first, and second distance is always assigned with the object you select second. Okay, again I will go to chamfer command, and instead of distance option I will go with the angle option. Angle option, it will prompt for length on the first line, let us say 10, and instead of asking second distance, we will ask for angle, let us say 45, and if I select this line and this line, so this angle is 45 and distance is 10. Okay, if I change that angle, my distance will change. Again, I am going to angle command, distance is 15 or 10 again, and angle is 30. Okay, so this angle which is selected with the first line is the 30 angle. Okay, I will just show you the angle is assigned is 30. So whichever object you select first, angle will be assigned with that object. So this is fillet and chamfer. With that commands, we have seen three options, that is trim, trim option, multiple selection option, and a polyline option.